School day, end transition, winding down and wrapping up. This is the final segment of the day. Begin to collect your notes, written spelling, and or vocabulary words. Homeschool students, turn your computers off. Public school students, sign out of your computer. Remember that the purpose of school is to teach you the things you need to know in order to function in society. Ultimately, that means to be able to get a job and to be a productive citizen. It also serves to teach you how to get along with others and obey the laws of the land. You will learn the lessons of history and develop respect for the people who have come before you and made this opportunity for you to become an educated citizen possible. At Complete K-12 Essentials, we are excited every day to see you develop into an awesome person who will make the world a better place. Homeschoolers, stand by for instructions from your teacher. Public school students, grab your personal belongings and prepare for pickup or transition to the bus loading zone. Have a wonderful evening, class, and we will see you here tomorrow morning.